if p vector is equal to q vector, which of the following is not correct? Where p vector and q vector are unit vectors and p and q are magnitude of p vector and q vector. So we know that when two vectors are equal, they should have same magnitude and same direction. So p is equal to q, and this modulus sign represents that its magnitude. So magnitude of p is equal to magnitude of q. That is also correct. And p vector plus q vector is equal to p plus q. No, like as an example, if you are taking p and q are unit vectors, so magnitude of p is 1 and magnitude of q vector is also 1. So if you are going for 1 plus 1, we will get a scalar quantity 2. But if you are adding 1 vector plus 1 vector, we will get a vector 2. So on this side it is vector quantity, here it is scalar quantity, so they are not equal. And the magnitude of p plus q, that means if you add p vector 1 vector plus 1 vector, we will get 2 vector, and if you are taking the magnitude of that, you will get the answer as 2. And same thing on the right side, if you are going for just magnitude of p plus magnitude of q, that will also be equal to 2. So this is correct, but in third option it is not correct, because one side we are getting vector and the other side we are getting scalar.